Hello everyone. Let's continue with our previous lesson. Today our new topic is about format slide text. How to format a slide text. So we start with a font which is measured in the points, a set of characters which is the same design and same shape. Font style and the effect enhances the text include bold, italic, underline, shadow, small caps, and outline. I think most of you are familiar with how to make the font because I know all of our students know how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word as well. And some of you use the Excel and the Access as well. So in the placement of the text within a placeholder is referred to as a text alignment. Text can be aligned left, centered, and aligned center, aligned right, or justified. Let me show you what this means. Let's go back to our slide that we made. So this text, Muhammad and Khalil and Ma'aita here, we need to make the font as we like, the way we like it. So let's double click Muhammad here. We go to home. We need to make this Times New Normal Roman. We just find it here. And we click OK. And we need it to be 24, the size. And we want it to be in the align left. So from here we choose align left, or we just click Ctrl and L to make it align left. Let's make once again for Khalil as well. We just double click here, go to home. We need to make this one as Arial black. The size of this one will be 28 as well, and we need to make it aligned to the right. So from here. But to make our design better, we make it to the align left from here. So from home, you will find the font size, which font do you need to use, and which size as well. For this one as well, we need to make it bold, italic, and underlined. We just click it, bold, italic, and underlined. Or we just can use Ctrl B, Ctrl I, and Ctrl U. Bold, italic, and underline. Let's make Ma'aita as well. We go to the size 28 Times New Normal Roman. We need to make it to the line left, and then we make it bold, italic, and underlined. Let's make Muhammad again the same. Bold, italic, underlined, and 28 we said. And the slide one, select the title text, which we chose Near East University, and the main toolbar, click the font size. We did this already. With the title text still selected, and the home tab in the font group, click the font arrow, scroll up and through the font list, and then point to Century. We just did it to Muhammad or Khalil or Ma'aita. We just choose it. In the font list, click the Century gadget, place your insertion point to our slide. And then a solid border around the placeholder indicates that the entire placeholder and all of the contents within it are selected with the placeholder selected. Any formatting changes will be made to entire contents of the placeholder. Number 6, in the font group, click the launcher to display the font dialog box. Under Effect, select small caps and then click OK. So within this one, with the small caps, lowercase, characters are capitalized, but they are smaller than characters that are typed as a capital letter. So let's go and make this one as well. Let me show you how to make it. Let's say Muhammad here. We need to make Muhammad only capital letter, and these are lowercase. So this is upper level, and these are lowercase here. So from home, we go to upper here, and these will be lowercase. Home, and we choose this one. So Muhammad will be, will be uppercase, and the rest of it will be lowercase. From home, we choose this one, lower or uppercase. In the font list, I think we did this one. Okay, let's go to lesson 2 here. You can check for spelling errors in the presentation by looking for the words marked within the red wavy underline. These words are flagged because they are not in the Office 2013 main dictionary. You can also correct spelling errors using the shortcut menu or the spell check features. So let me show you how to make this one. Let's say in our presentation, as we see here, we write business, but I wrote it wrong, business. So directly, this shows us that it's wrong because it's underlined by a red line, which is flagged. That means we had something missing here. The word is wrong. So how to correct this one? You either correct it by yourself or automatically we correct it from right click. We choose business here. So this is how you correct this as well. With the slide 5 display in the normal view, notice that the word involvement is flagged. As we see here, this word was written wrong with a red wavy underline indicated that is it misspelled. So this means this word was written wrong, and you just click it by right click and you correct it. Maybe it's not finding there, you couldn't find that word in the right click wherever it is underlined. That means it's not indicated in 2013 Microsoft PowerPoint dictionary. From the shortcut menu, click involvement to correct the spelling of the word. 4. Move to slide 4 in the right content placeholder. Notice misspelled word of the word. In the content placeholder, if the word Shingo is flagged as misspelled, right-click and click Ignore All. Proper names and non-English language words are sometimes flagged as misspelled, although they are spelled correctly when you use the Ignore All command. The red wavy underline is removed for the current document only. So when you remove the command, it only removes that for the same command, like for the same job that you are working or the same Microsoft Office PowerPoint that you are using. But when you create another Microsoft PowerPoint slide, it comes back again. So only for the current Microsoft PowerPoint slide that you are working on, it goes away. It doesn't show you any underlined mistake or misspelled word as well. Number 5, right-click to the word Terchen. From the shortcut menu, click Terchen, compare your slide with figure 2. So here, it doesn't show you underline red as anymore because spelling corrected. Number 6, in the review tabs in the proofing groups, click the spelling button to display the spelling pane as shown in figure 3. You can use the spelling pane to check the spelling of an entire presentation. So from review, we go to a spelling check from here, and we choose spelling suggestion for our incorrection words from here. And we have also this features, which is the speaker, pronounce the word for you, how to pronounce it. 7, check that your computer speaker are on and not muted or plugged in. Headphone. I don't think no one used this one, but I will show you how to make this one as well. Let's go to our slides. Review. We go to the home spelling. We have speaker here as well. We can pronounce this one as well. Let's see. No synonyms for Khalil. But we can correct Khalil as we have here in our dictionary in 2013. Or we just can make ignore all. Use the spelling pane to correct the spelling of one more word when a message box indicated that the spell check is complete, and then click OK. Number 8, use the spelling pane to correct the spelling of one word when a message box indicate we said this or word we finished it. Number 10, near the bottom of the shortcut menu, point to synonyms to display teacher's list of suggested words to replace growth. Click development to replace growth with the development. Compare your screen with figure 4. So we just compare this one as we did before. We compare it and we just click OK. And then we just save our presentation because we did some editing to our PowerPoint slides. We just save it in case. Let's go to slide number 6. Insert slide and modify slides layout. As we see in figure 1 here, let me correct this. In figure 1, it says here our vision title. We added a new title, which is indicate our vision, and some text here. Our goal is to become one of the best places to live in the world. This is our vision, the title, and this is like subtitle. Display the slide number 5 in the normal view on the Home tab in the slide group. Click the top half of the New Slide button to add a new slide within the same layout as current slides. You can press Ctrl-M to insert a new slide, or just you make like this. We just can make a click Ctrl-M. We created a new slide, or we just can, let me delete this. We just go Home and insert a new slide. And we also may change our design for this slide. We just click here, slide number 2. We go to design, and we may also change the design for this slide as well. Let me choose this slide. Number 2, design. This is too dark. Let me choose this one. So we created a new slide here. Let's say our vision. our vision. We need to make it centered, and click here. It's our aim. It is our aim to become the best. We need to make this aligned to the left from here, aligned to the left, and the size of the font 28, bold and italic. So we just memorize what we did right now. We move this one to the top and this one to here, and we can minimize it and maximize it as the way we like. In the same text, in the same slide, we can add some video and some animation. Let's say, let me add some animation for this slide, for our vision. From the home tabs, we go to animations, and there is many animation we have in animation, inside animation. So let's click our vision here, double click on it, and we go to animations. We choose any animation that we like. Let's say we use fly in, and let me do this one as well. Animations. We go to shape, and then we click F5, or from here to make it full screen. So it's either F5 or this one here. So first slide, second slide will show our vision. Did you see how it come? Fly in, and then we click again here. It is our purpose to become the best. Let me edit this one. I made a mistake. It's our aim to become the best. So it shows you the first animation and the second animation. Back to our slides. Seven, if it necessary, scroll down and click slide 7 in the home tab. We did this already. In the layout gallery, the picture with the caption, and then click the title placeholder and then type S-Pen Full City. We did this already. Select the title placeholder and then the home tab button, font group. Click the text shadow button, message S. Let me show you how to make this one. From this one, we need to make it shadow. We go to home. We find S, which make it shadow, text shadow, like this. You see how it changed? And to remove it, we just double click it again, home, and we just remove this one. Back to the normal. As shown as figure 4 as well. How to make a new picture to insert or format a picture. How to make a new picture or to edit a picture in your slides, or how to update it, or to create a new picture, or to minimize it or maximize it. Let me show you how to do this one. Let's make a new slide here. Let's say Near East, here in the top, Near East, the title. Centered, and then we click here. We come to insert to add a photo, and we choose any photo that we need. It's either from online, or we can do it from our computer. So pictures from here, we choose any picture that we have in our computer, let's say. I guess I don't have any pictures, but Okay, let me go to my desktop. I think I have some here. Let me choose this picture. This picture, we may move it to the anywhere in the slide that we like. To here, we can minimize it from the borders, maximize it and minimize it the way we like. We can move it to the top all the way here or to here or to here. So you are free to put it any place that you want. Let me maximize it a little bit here. And we still may add some text. Insert text. Or we just can write a comment. Inside this, we need to add some bullets, or we can add numbers as well. Let me make, or letters, ABC. Exam, we will say exam number 1. Exam. And then B will come by itself. Let's say midterm exam. We can maximize this or minimize it as the way we like. And we can move this picture here after we finish the text to the top or to centered. And we still can make some animation as well. We just double click this one, or we may just click all of them together. Double click all of them together. We go to animations. We choose any flute and any animation that you like. We just make it to appear here. And this picture, we just can minimize it or make some animations. Flute N. So this is how you add some picture, and this is how you edit your slide for the picture or the text, to the font, the size, or anything in the slide, PowerPoint slides. Thank you very much. And the midterm exam will be the 5th of April at 11. Good luck, guys.